How do you avoid the time wasters and the tire kickers? You know, those bad clients that waste your time when you meet with them. You see, not every client is a good client. There are great clients, there are bad clients. And I know your time's precious, so when you get people contacting you, wanting to change and use you as an accountant, bookkeeper, how do you make sure that you're not wasting time meeting, talking to people that are bad clients? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ideas to pre-qualify your leads, to pre-qualify clients. My name is Mark Wickersham. I am an author of a number of books on the accounting profession and professional speaker. So let's dive into what those 3 things are. Number one is, how do you position yourself? What is your positioning on your website? You see, positioning is really important. It says about the type of firm you are, the type of clients that you want. So you need to make sure your website, for example, is really clear. What is the ideal client? What are the sorts of people you do want? Because if your website suggests that you'll take on anybody, then don't be surprised when anybody contacts you, okay? So that's number 1. Number 2, the second thing, consider having a new customer intake form. A new customer intake form. In other words, if somebody wants to meet with you because they're looking to change their accounting professional, then a great tool that some other very switched on firms do is they ask people to fill in a questionnaire first. Now that could be on your website, or it could be a Survey Monkey, but they complete the questionnaire before they can have a meeting with you. And you would ask them questions to start to understand a bit more about them, but what are they looking for? What are they looking for in their new accountant or bookkeeper? So you can start to understand, are they the right type for you? Are they just looking for low-level compliance work? Or do they want an accounting professional who's going to help them save tax, increase their profit, grow their business, or whatever else it is that you love helping clients with? So that's number 2, have a new client intake form. Finally, number 3, and this is something that many firms I work with are starting to do now very successfully. You see, the problem is most accounting firms, accountants, bookkeepers, on their website it says free initial consultation. And the problem with that is, firstly, the word free. People don't value what they get for free. And secondly, because if you look at websites of accounting firms, almost every single one says we offer a free initial consultation. How does that differentiate you? You're the same as everybody else. So some of the best firms I'm working with now is they now charge a fee for the initial consultation. It's no longer free. They give it a nice name, they position the value, and there is a fee. And what that does is it's the most effective pre-qualification process, because if somebody is not willing to pay you a couple of $100s or a couple of £100 to have a meeting with you, then they're likely to be the wrong client. They will probably be the person that's always looking for a cheap accounting professional. Sometimes people say, yeah, but Mark, is there enough value in my initial consultation? I know there is. I know that as a profession, we want to deliver massive value. I think back to when I was running my accounting firm back in the 1990s. I would meet many prospective clients and I would be giving them some tax ideas as part of that meeting because I wanted to impress them as to my abilities, what I could do. I gave away so much value for free, but because it was a free initial consultation, their perception was that there wasn't value. People don't value what they get for free, and yet I know I was giving them ideas that would save them thousands in tax. Okay, if you want some more support from me, you'll find underneath this video I have put some links to some other free resources. Please, if you haven't already, join my Facebook group, a support community for accountants professionals. Please also as well click the thumbs up button if you like this video. Please feel free to make a comment below and please feel free to share it. Thank you so much. I'll see you on another video soon.